Your shot at living the dream London life is here. Welcome to Arbour House, a stay par excellence which is sure to turn your life into nothing short of a magical dream. Nestled in Sebastian Street, Arbour House offers a range of ensuite and classic studio apartments, each designed to provide unparalleled comfort. Choose from cozy ensuite units featuring a comfortable bed, a dedicated study area, ample storage space, and your very own bathroom. Like the sound of more privacy? Pick one of the studio apartments for your own kitchen, bathroom, and living facilities. But that's not all. Socialize in the vibrant communal spaces, take advantage of the on-site laundry, and enjoy hassle-free living with amenities like recycling and bike storage. What's even better? Utility bills are included, making your stay incredibly budget-friendly. In terms of location, you're just next door to the City University of London and the University of the Arts, ensuring you're always on time for your early morning lectures. On weekends, explore the vibrant surroundings with a diverse range of bars and restaurants in Clerkenwell and nearby Islington. For a night of excitement, Shoreditch is just a mile away. Plus, with both Old Street and Barbican stations less than a 15-minute walk, the whole of London is within each reach. So does it seem like the ideal deal? If so, visit amberstudent.com now to secure your perfect stay at Arbour House London today.